Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Anaconda, British Columbia, a quiet community tucked away near Greenwood in the Boundary region. This place was once a busy hub during the mining boom of the late 1800s. Anaconda was named after the famous Anaconda copper mine in Montana, a nod to its mining roots. Back then, the town grew quickly around the smelter built to process copper ore from nearby mines. The smelter started up in 1900 and became one of the largest in the British Empire at the time. Even though the smelter shut down just a few years later, the area still holds on to its rich history. Today, you can still spot the tall brick smokestack, a towering reminder of the town's industrial past.
Thank you very much.
The surrounding hills and trails now draw visitors who come for the peaceful nature and stunning scenery. Whether you're here for a quiet walk, a look back in time, or just passing through, Anaconda is worth a visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Anaconda, British Columbia.